Yes.
Yeah, go on.
Okay.
So, Najam, what are you doing?
I tried to change this part. Okay.
Oh, I have to do it that way.
First time in my life I does that. Look, it's moving now. I hope I'm not gonna be messed up. Oh.
Najam, don't stab yourself, please. So what are you doing exactly?
I tried to take it off this.
Yeah,
oh yes,
lovely.
look, just moving now.
Coming out. So use your hand now to, or maybe not. No, Najam, turn it so it comes out.
Turn that, why it not comes out? Okay, this is my first time anyway. İlk kez böyle bir şey yapıyorum. Şu an bunu çıkartmaya çalışıyorum. Bu lastiğin buradan çıkması gerekiyor. Sorun buymuş. Bakın lastik mahvolmuş. Yeah, it's damage everywhere. That's why I need to change this
This
part.
whole thing?
No, just this and this.
Okay.
Because I have new part. Okay. Well, okay. Close the okay. Remove the gripping and anti-clockwise to unlock. Okay.
Can I see something inside?
Yeah, I need to do anti-clockwise.
Okay.
This means this way.
Yeah.
I was doing the other
Okay.
side. Yes. See? I have to read it first. Well, keep moving in. Evet, bu ülkede başardım, iyi yaşasın. Bu ülkede bunlar pahalı olunca kendi yapman gerekiyor. Sonra diyor, bunu çık, oh be! I can't believe it. I'm fixing my toilet myself. See, we don't need a man. Gördüğünüz gibi hiçbir erkeğe ihtiyacımız yok. Biz kadınlar her şeyi yapabiliriz. Inspect and clean the valve seal. Okay, I have to clean here now. Oh my god, no. Türkiye'de ucuz bunlar tabii. Burada ucuz değil. Okay, now let's clean that. Okay. Okay, it's necessary to replace valve seal, remove the retaining clip, insert the screwdriver, don't send to check the condition, remove the obstruction, please the movement reverse, remove, take into place, refit stands to turn on the water. I think I need to put this one. Yeah. I can't believe it. I have to do makeup, but instead that I'm doing this. So funny.
When you own your home, do you know what I mean?
I
Saves
know.
money.
Am I doing alright or not? Do you think it's right?
It looks right. Does it feel right? Like the old one?
Yeah. How am I going to fit this one inside? This is big. Bu daha büyük. Nasıl sokacağız bunun içine? Oh yes, done it! But I'm not very sure this one is exactly fitted. Oh my god, I can't believe it, I changed it. I done it! Okay, where am I going to put this one?
Where did it come from?
I think it come from here.
Okay.
But I have no idea how to put it.
Well, you better put it back. You can forget. You can forget.
Oh my goodness! What the hell is this? Why they can't do more simple things? And which is we understand too. Lola, do you have an idea?
1 sec, let me have a look.
It was like this something, you know? I don't know. Where are we gonna put that?
Is that how it came out?
Yeah, it was here somewhere.
Okay, so maybe it goes on top. Maybe. Okay, we'll do it one by one. Do one by one. So do the small thing first, the orange, the blue thing.
But I don't know where it's gonna go.
Oh my goodness.
Anyone knows? Please give me a call. This one was, oh my god, like this.
This looks like it goes in there. This looks like it goes in there somehow.
Here.
Forget the white thing for now. Forget the white thing. The white thing's to cover. Use the orange thing.
Right. Here.
Does it go inside?
Okay. Pause the video. We can do together.